So EAS, does anybody know what EAS stands for? EAS stands for Emergency Alert System. And that's what's going to happen next week on Wednesday, November 9th, 2011. The Emergency Alert System is going to sound possibly all over the country. I know it's happening in Delaware, it's happening in Maryland. I've heard other people say that it's happening in other states. So why is this happening? Could it have anything to do with I know NASA, they posted a statement, I believe it was in July. If not July, it was early August, um, to get their family ready if something were to happen, for them to have a safe place to go, to have a communication plan where everybody was supposed to meet up. Is this kind of in conjunction with that? Who knows? Also, I've heard about here on YouTube about some type of meteor or some type of comet or something being able to be seen on November 8th or November 9th. Could this be a part of the reason why there's EAS alert system going across the country? Um, I'm kind of skeptical about that because of the whole thing that happened with Comet Ellen, and people were saying Comet Ellen's coming, it's gonna hit the Earth, and you really have to be skeptical of everything. You have to research yourself. You have to get your own facts, and don't believe something just because somebody told you. Okay, we're all adults here, and if not, you still know enough that you can't believe what everybody says. So my advice to you, if you think this comet or asteroid or whatever it is going to be visible on November 8th to November 9th, do your research about it. I can't say that you can believe NASA and everything because everybody lies. So just do your research about it. As far as the emergency alert system goes, I don't know if it's preparing us for something. I don't know, maybe not preparing us for something in the near future, but maybe something a little ways down. It's definitely something in my lifetime that I haven't encountered before. I haven't heard about the U.S. sending out a nationwide alert system test. But if anybody has information about it or information about what's said to happen on November 8th or November 9th, please leave a comment, shoot me a message, whatever. Um, Please feel free to leave comments, subscribe,